What's up, people? We're back with the trade recap. To date, we got break even twice going long. I wanted to show you guys this here. This is the 15-minute chart right here. Up here we have, if you can see this here, we've got Asia and London session high at all-time high. So this is the main target for the day. We're in a bullish uptrend on the higher time frame. If you look, the hourly, we are moving up continuously, and so the play today for me was longs. So I got broke even. First off, I'd like to point off that this was my target for both trades here, this 1 hour unmitigated gap, and then we had a whole bunch of low resistance liquidity built up, heading to that, which I really enjoy those trades. Those trades seem high confluence for me. So the low resistance build up into this 1 hour unmitigated gap right here. This is a beautiful TP in my opinion. So off open, what we've been dumping, right? And ES takes out previous day low right here. And we create a bullish SMT. Just gives me more confirmation we're going to go higher. We get a good reaction out of that. A great reaction out of that, actually. And so once we kind of pushed right here, I'll show you my two entries. Okay. I wanted to get in mid-candle, but because of these bearish imbalances here, I waited. But so I entered at the top of this candle on my first trade thinking, okay, this is, we kind of reject, but then we push higher. This is confirmation. We should just kind of flush through this. But I wasn't quite sure just because of the structure on the 5-minute and the 15-minute at this time. We had bearish imbalances throughout here. So what I did was I put my break even at this internal high right here that pretty much started this huge move lower. So I was thinking, okay, hey, we've got this great move up here, expansion. If we're gonna go lower, it's gonna be after we tap this high right here, or this this point in price that pushed us lower, and that's exactly what happened. We hit this and then rejected. I got break even. I was like, okay, we're still holding bullish structure. I'm still open for a long here, and I waited around. We got this move down, and then on this move up, I entered here. Stops down below this very low. Same idea, internal low. My break-even point on the second trade here was our rejection off of this first break-even point, and then this would have got stopped out for a total loss. So great break-even point in that trade there. So those were the two main trades that I saw to date. Now, there was trades probably to this high. I mean, honestly, today was kind of poop price action. We also had PMI at 9. And so just kind of a different weird day. I'm not mad at the trades that I took at all. Now, I'll say, while I was in this first trade, I was having doubt when we started. There was a point where we started really rejecting lower, and it might have been that first candle, and I was thinking, maybe. So this trade here is kind of just a top tick. Not my favorite trade, but with this confirmation higher, I was thinking, okay, well, I can go break even pretty quickly, and that's exactly what I did. So not mad at today, not happy, just kind of a break even day, but that's going to do it for today's recap. I bet we end up eventually going higher. We're in bullish order flow, so I don't see why we wouldn't. But anyway, I'll catch you. Oh, by the way, if you guys need a code to get you some discount on any Alpha Futures account, use this code right down here. Once we get 10 users, I can change my discount code name to just KJB. Make it a lot easier for you guys to get discounts on your Alpha accounts. Alpha Futures is a great prop firm. They have a lot of good accounts. I mean, I used them for six or so months until I switched over to Top Step. But I may go back and get some more accounts eventually. But if you guys need a code for those Alpha Futures accounts, if you like those, there's a code right down there at the bottom of your screen. So I will see you guys in the next recap.